Okay, Nissan Serena S Hybrid install PowerBoot. Okay, this one C26, C27 also can install. Okay, so now press key 3 times. Okay, you have button here, you can close it. This one is vacuum lock, not the slam one. Original button also can open. Okay, to close by key also can, 3 times. There is button at the driver's side also. See the soft close. Here. Okay, for C27 the button is like this one. For C26 the button is like this. Okay, we press 1 time. Okay, you also can hold it in this. Continue open. Okay, done. All access like original. Now I close and I lock the car. Okay, unlock the car. Still can access like original. Pressing here to open. Plug and play. No warranty, no cut wire. 2 years warranty. Okay, thank you.